Yeah. Some walk-ins really come and then choose. This is a bigger one.
It's not a chicken, that is a snake.
So earlier I mentioned that at first, when the very first time you roast the pig, you have to put the fire at the sides. Now, once the color has changed into darker, like this one, brown, golden brown, as you can see, my back, you have to put, this is the right time, you have to put fire in the center, where so that it can cook the belly parts or the inner part of the pig properly. It will roast properly. Okay, so earlier I said at the beginning, the fire should be at the side, so that's the technique. So you don't have to put all the fire in the center in order for you to cook it. First, it's at the sides. You have, or little by little, you have to put the fires in the center, or the fire in the center, right? This is an open area.
I've been here 14 years. Go ahead, start talking.
This is the belly, the pork belly, the lechon belly that's very famous here in Cebu. So they took out the bones, the ribs here. So they took it out, and there. As usual, you have to sew it with this kind of thread or rope. We have here the onion leaves, and this is the kind of the sauce that I'm telling you. It's only in the Philippines. This is a different taste. It is a different taste compared to other countries.
What kind of sauce is that?
It's still a soy sauce. We can use caramel as long as it's in the Philippines, Philippine made. It's different. It has a different taste compared to other soy sauce made in other countries or foreign countries. Okay, and this is the lemongrass. Lemongrass, and of course we have pineapple and some salt. Okay, here's salt. So we have two types of lechon. We have the spicy and the regular one, the regional one. For the spicy, so you need this kind of chili. This is a local chili. So we put it all over. We try to smash it and then, you know, and pour it there.
Okay.
Okay.
That's part of the ingredients. That's onions, then onion leaves, then lemongrass they have to put there. Oh!
Wow.
Kita ilan ko na niya kay... The roasted pig or the lechon pig that we have just started about a few months ago, 4-5 months ago. We came up to this kind of business. Originally, we have the charcoal business. We're selling charcoal at the market, and then one businessman closed his business. So this he was actually the one selling lechon. And my brother tried to save it. So that's how we started the business. So this businessman closed his business. He got bankrupt, and my brother said, okay, let me get your space. The cage, we call it tangkal. So that's how we started. So my brother said, can I use or can I assume the cage that you have?
Okay, explain exactly what lechon is for viewers.
Lechon is roasting or roasted one. It's a roast. We call it lechon. It's a like grill. It's like grilling.
Barbecue.
Barbecue. That's correct. It's barbecue. So it's a native dialect, lechon, but in English it's roasting or grill or barbecue.
Continue.
Yes, and so that's it. That's how my brother started, with a small investment, with a small capital. He started buying pigs from countryside. We call it countryside or provinces. So he travels from from Cebu, still part of Visayas, to Eastern Visayas, to Northern Visayas, because we are in Central Visayas. So
Okay.
that's where he got the pigs.
Okay, why is your lechon suddenly becoming so popular?
Number one is through Facebook, social media, networking. So that's how, because we can't afford to, advertise it in television or any channels. So we use Facebook. Facebook now is very trending, especially in the Philippines. So that's how the partner of my brother, Mikai, started to advertise by posting then through Facebook. So that's how we got this popular.
And what are some of the ingredients that makes yours better than some others?
Okay, the reason why lechon in Cebu is very popular because of the soy sauce. I've been to other countries, they have different soy sauce. So because I cook, and then I tried soy sauce from other countries, compared it from the soy sauce that we have here in the Philippines, it's totally different, the taste. So that's the difference why we have a better lechon.
But there's other secrets that
Yes,
you don't want to
and
reveal.
aside from that, yeah, of course, because it's a trade secret, business trade secret. But the number one would be the soy sauce. That's why it's different. A lot can do lechon. They can roast a pig, but the thing is, the ingredients, especially the soy sauce, it's totally different. The taste will matter. Using the Philippine soy sauce or the foreign soy sauce, it's totally different. That's why I saw one blogger, they tried to make lechon belly, but they use the local soy sauce they have. It's different. They said, oh, it's really, they can compare. So Cebu or Philippines, especially Cebu, we have the tongue that we have, it's salty, a little salty. So that's why it's different, maybe, because other countries, they have different tastes as well. And the technique also, it's very important. When you roast, there's a technique. So especially in making the fire. So at first, if it's still raw, you don't put too much fire. So you have to actually spread the coal at the sides or at the corners, and then try to roast it, so that the first thing that's gonna roast would be the skin of the pig. Then once it change or it turns to golden brown, you put now the fire little by little at the center, all the fire, so that the meat inside it will be roasted properly. That's how you get it, and that's how you get a crispy skin. So you don't put all the fire in the center when it's still raw.
Okay, say, and so it will all be cooked evenly.
And so it will all be cooked evenly. That's how you do it in roasting a pig.
Thank you.
You're welcome.